Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A38 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings, because to be honest I'd like to begin with customization of this mode. I'll show you a full path of how to get there through the settings, and after that I'll show you much faster access to this option, so you won't have to go through this long road to turn it on or off. So as I said, let's start with the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the display and brightness. Now let's scroll down, not really that much, because here we've got the eye comfort, so let's tap on it. And first of all, before we will be able to customize it, we have to obviously turn it on. So let's tap on the switcher at the top, and as you can see, the screen turns not really a little bit, but there's a big change, because it is a little bit more yellowish or amber, and it is basically in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode, because also, as you can see, the contrast is not really that kind of vibrant. The colors are a little bit washed out, so it is also better for your eyes to look at the screen like that. So first of all, let's start with the switcher. By going to the left, we can make it cooler, and as you can see, your device again increased the contrast. The yellowish shield is not really that visible, and by going to the right, you can make it much warmer. It's almost orange, I would say. So of course, set the intensity just like you want to on the level which is the most comfortable for you. And here we've got also the display effects. Let me turn it off a little bit, set it on lower, so you will be able to see the changes. So we've got currently the color, so of course the screen is affected with the yellow shield, however the colors are still visible even though they're a little bit dull. Or we can set the monochromatic option, so the black and white, just upon it, and as you can see, everything will be displayed in the black, gray and kind of blue/yellow color because of the mode. So it's up to you. I think I prefer colors, and we can also schedule, and this option, set the schedule, just up on this switcher, and as you can see, you can turn it on a particular time and turn it off, of course, on the particular hour also, and your device will basically use those hours to apply or turn off the mode. It's up to you, however, I prefer the manual option, which is simply here. Alright, so this is the whole customization of the eye comfort mode, and in order to have much faster access to it, you have to simply unroll the top bar, unroll it fully, so you will be able to see all of those icons, and then simply tap on eye comfort. Find and tap. So currently, of course, it is turned on, so to turn it off, just tap on this option and the screen will get back to its normal state, and the same situation if you want to turn it on. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.